Belly is talking to me.
What it saying?
It's, no more, please.
Why?
No more.
I don't like your belly's voice.
No more. It's my Hispanic Antonio. It's Antonio Belly. No more. No more.
AJ, come on.
No more. It's a ladder.
What's wrong with you?
It's a ladder.
Okay. Come on, it's a llama.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ. This is Danny and we are hashtag the cannons.
CCTV. No.
Alright guys, welcome back to our eating show. Today, guys, we are back with another mukbang. Today we will be having some creamy fettuccine shrimp and chicken Alfredo. We haven't had this in a while. This is one of you guys' favorite dishes, I believe. Yeah.
It's one of mine. If it ain't else.
Right, I take it. But anyway, also, guys, we'll be having a nice chef salad that I made, and also some crispy fried shrimp, guys. Look at those golden brown bad boys. Ooh. Anyway, guys, so that's what we're going to be having today. We're going to get right into Mukbang, but first, Danny's going to hit you with a couple things.
If this is your first time on our channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And after hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Like it.
Right, like the video. Like the video, hit that button and hit that bell.
I said that first part and some spit came out. I felt like my daddy preaching.
Don't be, please. Is that what that is?
No.
Oh, okay.
It was on a paper.
A little grease. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pray and we're gonna eat. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we ask that you bless this food. Let it be nourished to our bodies, and this in your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
That's how we get it. Amen. That's dapping up, Lord.
Don't dap Jesus. Don't dap him.
All right, y'all.
As you say, Jesus is not your homeboy.
Right. You right.
You say
I
that.
do say that.
You do.
Yeah. But yeah, y'all. So what I want to do is, we're gonna be eating right out of this. It's just us. Ain't nobody here to share the with. So we're gonna eat right out of the dish. You know what I'm saying? But first, I'm gonna go ahead and we got to set up a little higher than anticipated.
And guess what I am?
Something's not right.
I'm short.
Right. So we're gonna be reaching up tonight.
Oh,
I think I was thinking about our other table, but yeah, we got some rancho. I might have to pass that back. I might not have put enough.
You probably did. And I'm probably about to put too much. I don't ever put too much. It must be too less, then I be tired.
I don't know. Your salad be white.
I say no. No.
Once you stir it up, I can't even see no color no more.
You can.
No. Your
you
salad.
Always be saying that.
Does it do? It be coated.
No. My salad do not be white.
Yes, it do.
Y'all can't stand stirring up a salad. Get on my nerves. How about see something else?
Danielle's salad. Once you don't see no green, no red, no nothing, no
it
blue.
Ain't white right now.
Not yet.
I feel like something fell out.
Cause I took the bottle before you got crazy.
Don't do me.
No, you don't do the salad. You don't
The
do
salad need flavor.
That's what everything in it is for.
What's a salad without dressing?
Healthy.
See, it ain't even white. I got color.
I told you I took the bottle before you got crazy. Come back. Come back. Yeah, I got these little grape tomatoes in here. I can eat them, but I gotta split them in half. I can't just let them be busted like that's too much for me. I gotta split them.
You don't like the gushy.
Not no tomato.
You got something right here, and I'm gonna smack you. Cause you knew what you was doing.
No, you knew.
No.
You tried to set me up, and I just went ahead.
No, don't go in for the kill, please.
You tried to set me up.
Alright, I'm finna get a shrimp. I hadn't even finished chewing.
Salad's kind of hard to get away from them.
Wait till you eat this shrimp.
Is it crispy and delicious?
And I like the way you battered them because you know I don't like a bunch of batter.
Yeah.
Like.
That's fire.
Here y'all go, I ain't sharing. My arm's short. AJ might have to do it.
I'm just assuming. This is exactly what I want. Now, one of my fries, I got 2 fryers. One of them started messing up. I think it was losing power. I fried some chicken the other night and it just wasn't. But I used my other one tonight. It's on point right here. These shrimps are delicious. There's shrimp in here too. So, matter of fact, let me go ahead and jump in here. Uh-oh.
I'm looking.
Yes, sir. Go right. Oh, it's so hot. I gotta blow this first.
Oh.
Put a little fried piece of shrimp on the front.
I'm gonna let him try first. So I ain't got time to be hustle. I'm gonna pull it out. Was it hot? Okay.
It's more dramatic. It's hot, but it's more dramatic steam than anything. Now, I don't know about the shrimp in it.
What you mean?
Did you know last time?
The heat. Oh, yeah, them things knew better in there. If I could eat noodles every day, I would. I got a problem.
My God.
Oh, I got a shrimp this time.
Let me get some of this edge right there. You see that? Y'all see that brown edge, the cheese? That's what I need right there. This is a big bite. Y'all know how I do it. Sometimes I don't notice my bites are so big. I look at myself editing and I'll be like, dog, that's a big bite. I'm gonna do it. Y'all let me do it.
Don't do it.
It's a lot. I don't know if I can, really, to be honest.
I got a baby bite.
The creaminess is a fool. It's the fool.
Wow, that was kind of hot. Wait a minute.
Man.
He's good though. I'm out. Hand my booty. So guys, I'm not sure if you know, which I think you'll see this video before it happens, but we have been on Sonya Lenae's Song Association 2 times already. And so this Friday, which is the 18th, I believe, we will be on her Song Association again, but this time we are going against Be Love and Nate.
Yes, we're going to Be Love's Life and her husband Nate.
And so, for all of y'all that have watched Sonya Lenae's Song Association in the past, you already know that before AJ and I have to prep. So I hope he ready tomorrow.
What you mean?
So you know I have to play my game when we goes back and forth.
Yeah, she just be random shooting words.
I did. What's a song for this? You got to stay ready. We can't lose.
Hold on, y'all. Got some sparkling ice. This is pineapple coconut.
Up here in the air. I believe that flicked on me. But yeah, we can't lose. I don't do good losing. I'm not a good sport.
You know, if Be Love's Life happened to see this video, sorry, but you're going down. I'm gonna have to take you and your husband to school. All right. This is bomb, man. Good. Latch on there.
Not a latch.
Fettuccine noodles. They're just not the really wide ones.
You had one of them bites I had a little while ago, and they probably gonna talk about me because I believe I swallowed it. But it's cool. It's cool, because I already told y'all I'm chewing noodles. I never knew I did it until, you know, thought he said something. And I looked at myself and I said, girl, no, you don't chew them.
Hiya.
So since it is a Christmas time and AJ and I are festive,
Yeah.
we are going to do One Has to Go, but it's gonna be Christmas movie edition. I like Christmas movies, except for Don't Kill Me, Home Alone. I don't know why I don't.
Because you're crazy.
Maybe I need to watch it again as an adult. I might change my mind.
Yeah, I love Home Alone.
They probably gonna kill me with this one too. As much as I love Chris Brown, I do not like this Christmas.
My little sister.
I think I watched it too much, to be honest.
It so much.
And I was watching it because Chris Brown was in it. And now I don't even watch it no more. It's not even that I don't like it. I don't like it like that.
Well, you did that to yourself.
I did, but y'all watched that movie so many times. It was ridiculous.
My sister had it. That's why I watched it so many times.
It was ridiculous how many times I watched that. Mama, stop talking about these other Christmas movies. And let's get to this first one. Why the bird? No, I guess not. Alright. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or Frosty the Snowman.
Rudolph's Shiny New Year's, is that what you asking?
It just say Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I'm probably gonna have to go with Frosty. As much as I like Frosty, that Shiny New Year just great for me.
Oh yeah, I know my mouth. Yeah, I'm going with Frosty too. You gotta go.
Yeah, I like Frosty the honey. Humpity hump hump.
Yep, humpity hump hump. Yep.
Hump hump hump.
Look at Frosty go, because Rudolph got to stay.
Alright. Miracle on 34th Street or It's a Wonderful Life. I don't know what It's a Wonderful Life is.
I'll take Miracle.
Yeah. You seen It's a Wonderful Life?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't
It's
never
good.
seen it. Yeah.
It's Christmassy, but no.
No. That ain't the one. A Christmas Story or Home Alone?
I like A Christmas Story, but I like Home Alone. That Christmas Story is long.
It is.
And
I'm gonna have to take Home Alone got to go. Y'all here if we take a rabbit.
I'll take Christmas Story right now.
Christmas Story is too long. And then on Christmas Day, they play that thing all day long. Hey, can we watch something else?
They play it probably leading up until Christmas, and then they play it all day.
I'm just like, can we play something else? All day long. He's shooting, he licking.
You shoot your eye.
Well, this is a more newer one. The Christmas Chronicles or Jingle Jangle?
I
I like Jingle Jangle, but Jingle Jangle to me didn't give me Christmas. It more gave me Winter Wonderland, even though I loved it. It was a good movie.
I like Jingle Jangle. And I love the give me black cash, in Christmas movies. And, and it's not about black and white, because I love a lot of white Christmas movies with predominantly white cast where there ain't no black people in them. But I love that, But I like Christmas Chronicles too. As far as a Christmas movie, I'm looking for, Jingle Jangle was good. I love the movie, but I think I think as a Christmas movie, I'll take Christmas Chronicles over. It was pretty good. Yeah. The dude that played Santa, I think is a good actor. I think he embodied that role pretty well.
How the Grinch Stole Christmas or a Charlie Brown Christmas?
Man,
I believe Charlie gonna have to go.
which one we talking about?
This is the old.
The cartoons?
Yeah.
I like Charlie Brown. I like the Grinch too, but I like Charlie Brown. I say, this is the cartoons, Grinch gotta go. Because I did like watching the Grinch, but I really did like Charlie Brown Christmas.
I can agree with you, yeah. But I think I like the Grinch movie.
I keep Jim Carrey's Grinch.
You'll keep that one. That movie too long.
It is long. It's long. Man, what?
What movie did we watch the other day? And I was like, this thing been on for 3 hours. And it wasn't even that long. I don't forget.
It was that Christmas movie on Netflix.
Oh, that picture, whatever. Something she was taking pictures.
The Advent calendar.
Yeah. Oh my God. I said this movie been on 3 hours.
It was on.
Y'all, that movie wasn't but an hour and 20 minutes.
It was
hour
so
15.
long though.
It was.
I think because of the way that they did the plot, like it was like
I
day
think
by
they
day.
gave too much backstory. Like
I think it was just because of the passing days on the movie. Like they were actually going from day to day.
Like
to
we
day.
went through like what 12 days.
I think they actually made it feel like it was long. Like,
Oh my God, we can rush through them. I don't gotta know what she did every day. I'm alright. Just open the doors. Just have 1 through 7 in one day.
Shut up, man. It was a decent movie.
It was good, even though we were scared it was gonna be low budget.
Well, I kind of know, what I'm saying, going into movies, like, to be honest, like, real low budget movies is hard for me to watch. I can't watch them, but, not necessarily movies that don't have actors that I'm not familiar with. Like, I can watch movies that don't have actors I'm familiar with, just as long as they not really just extra, like, you tried to watch that one low budget movie. You can hear the audio sounded like I recorded it for YouTube. The audio sounded like I recorded it for YouTube. Like the camera, like it sounded like it was my phone's audio.
That was terrible.
At one point, when they were in the hallway, that was bad. But like this one was just, it was probably had a lower budget. Probably didn't have a huge budget, but it was
wasn't bad.
The actors were good. I didn't know who any of them were, but they were good actors. Nothing that was. I can watch that as long as you got a decent plot and it's not, because there's some good movies out there, but, I always got to, if I don't get a good feeling within the first 15, 20 minutes.
It's the movies that come on BET at 11:30 p.m. I can't get with. Please, what is this? Who are these people? Why is this camera moving like this? And why is they bleeping this cussing out like this?
Or the one with, like the one with LaToya Luckett. Was it LaToya Luckett?
Oh my God, the pastor son, preacher daughter. That movie is terrible. Oh God. And my mom loves low budget movies. She was watching one the other day when I called her. I'm like, what are you doing? She said, in here watching what you call a low budget movie. It's probably not good then. The next one is The Holiday or Love Actually. I've never seen either one.
The Holiday.
So.
What is The Holiday?
It looks like it's got Cameron Diaz in it.
I haven't seen either one either. Heard of Love Actually?
Next. Christmas with the Cranks or Jingle All the Way. Oh, this is hard.
Oh, man.
Oh, this is hard.
I think I really like Christmas with the Cranks. I've watched that a few times. I think, I don't know, that really gives me like Christmas movie. So, Jingle All the Way was good, though. That's one.
It was funny with Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, yeah. And
Sinbad.
Sinbad. Oh, man.
Yeah, that one's hard. I guess Jingle All the Way got to go for me. And the reason why I say that is because if Christmas with the Cranks comes on right now, I'm going to be attentive to it. Jingle All the Way, I kind of play in the background.
Like, Jingle All the Way, you got most of the movie is spent with them out there.
With the find that toy.
Yeah. But like Christmas Crank gives me, with the Cranks gives me real Christmas movie vibes. You know what I'm saying? Family fun, And, it's got Tim, yeah. And so, like, he's really, he's Santa Claus movies. The Santa Claus, so, any of his movies automatically feel Christmas. So, yeah, I'll take that.
Elf or National Lampoon's Christmas
Elf
Vacation?
Gotta go.
Yeah, Elf gotta
National
go.
Lampoon is my shiznit. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. The grandma is my favorite. She was like,
Elf gotta go.
He was like, they told her to say Grace, and she was like, Grace, she died 30 years ago. And her husband was like, the blessing. And she gonna get up talking about, I pledge allegiance to the flag. That's one of my favorite movies right there.
Yeah, Elf got to go. The Muppet Christmas Carol or Scrooged? Muppet gotta go. I can't do it.
Yeah.
Muppet get on my nerves.
I do.
Stop. I would take Scrooged. Now this one, AJ, is the Jim Carrey How the Grinch Stole Christmas or The Nightmare Before Christmas. I guess Nightmare got to go for me.
Nightmare can go because really, why are we hide nightmares? That was a little too creepy anyway. I used to love to watch it, but it's a little weird. It's the Tim Burton is not. You shouldn't. Yeah. Tim Burton is a classic. Let's just say it's a classic. Give it, call it what it is, but really it can go.
All right, last one. The Polar Express or the Santa Claus.
Polar Express can go because the Santa Claus is one of my favorites, and the Santa Claus too.
I love the Polar Express.
Polar Express has been too much time on that train.
Shut up.
I always fall asleep.
They get off of it.
I fall asleep before they get there.
The Santa Claus got to go for me. I like Polar Express. I love it. I used
Santa
to
Claus,
watch
like
it every day.
Like I said, it's a classic. So, no. No.
As y'all can see, I stopped eating a long time ago.
Yeah, I think I'm only eating because we still up here. Cause it's yeah.
I ain't got no more in me. Well, should I say I ain't got no more room?
These shrimps is fire.
I like to stick it in some bread and make a po' boy. That's what I'd like to do with it.
Yep.
Well, we always trying to stick something in bread.
Right. That's what you do with leftovers.
Right. Get a piece of bread.
Put it in some bread and go on about your day. But guys, I'm gonna wrap things up. My belly is talking to me.
What it saying?
It's no more. Please.
Well,
No more.
I don't like your belly's voice.
No more. It's my Hispanic Antonio. It's Antonio belly. No more. No more.
AJ, come on.
No more. It's a ladder.
What's wrong with you?
Enchilada.
Okay. Come on, enchilada.
Alright, thank y'all for doing this today. We really do appreciate it, guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Give us a thumbs up. Give us 1,000 likes. Y'all can do it. Also, guys, excuse me, I apologize. Guys, remember to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Share this video with your family and friends. Everybody. Share us because sharing is caring. So care about us.
Care about us.
Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Danny, do you have anything?
The next time we ask about your belly, can he have a different voice?
No. It's a lie.
I do not like it. I don't. Alright, I'm
no more kisses.
Because why? My question is, it ain't even the accent. Why do the belly got to sing?
Because
why he gotta sing?
Because he started out straight and like, no, and then decided to sing, no more, and then no more.
I'm done. Bye-bye.
Bye.